Hello guys, my name is Godaro and welcome to the very first video on my YouTube channel. Now before we get into this video, I just want to quickly tell you guys what this YouTube channel is going to be all about. Devlogs. This channel is going to be all about devlogs. So I just think of a simple game idea and make the game in a short period of time. And it's going to be in series, like there's going to be a series of me making a game in 2 days, 3 days, a week and a month, just like that. So if something you're excited about and you want to keep seeing, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I release a new video. And yeah, I'm going to be releasing videos every week. So yeah, it's going to be an awesome adventure, guys. So stay tuned to the channel and let's get right into the video. So for this very first devlog video, I decided to make a very simple game in 3 days. And the name of the game is Shieldy. It's not the coolest name, but I would do. So the game is very simple. You have a shield in the middle of the game world and you're trying to protect it by using the hammer you control to kill off incoming enemies. So that's the basic idea. So the first thing I did was to boot up the Unity game engine and started working on the prototype for the game. I created a very simple weapon control which allows the weapon game object to rotate around the center of the screen using a fairly simple script. By moving the weapon game object a little bit above the shield, which was already at the center of the screen, I was able to make it rotate around the shield. So after that, I started working on the enemies. I made the enemies move towards the game object which had the tag shield, which was the shield game object with a certain speed, and it turned out pretty great. Then finally for day 1, I worked on the spawn system. I made multiple spawn points and a script which goes through all these spawn points and picks a random one which it spawns an enemy from within a few milliseconds. So after doing all this and playing the game for a little while, I found that the game was actually kind of fun. Yes. So on day 2, I started off by working on some pixel art for the game. I created the art for the shield, the hammer and the enemy inside of GIMP and exported it into Unity. And after switching the sprites with the real ones, here's how it looks. Pretty cool. Then I worked on another enemy and made the spawn script to choose which of the enemy it wants to spawn. I spawned it out. Then I went on to creating the simple exploding particle effect for when the hammer destroys an enemy. Then I made a screen shake animation using the Unity animation timeline, and the game was actually looking a lot better now. Then I made a score counter which was able to keep track of how many enemies I destroyed. Then I also made a high score display and a way to save the high score data in the game. So after everything, I created a menu and a pause menu, and that was it for day 2. So on day 3, I decided to convert the game to an Android game because yeah, it actually plays better as a mobile game. So I redid the controls so that it will be able to work on mobile. Then after that, I added some very simple art into the game, then added post-processing and just polished the game up a little bit, and the game actually plays a lot more better now. So after doing all this, I decided to build the game for an APK, and when I tried to upload it on Play Store, unfortunately, it couldn't upload. Anyway, but the game is available on itch.io as an Android app, so you guys can check it out, download it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you always get updated whenever I release a new video. And please, you guys should download the game, have fun, give me your feedbacks on what you think about the game, rate the game, and yeah, just have fun. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, stay blessed.